Hello guys, welcome to Tech Job Career.
Today update is from the Mahindra Rise. Mahindra Rise is hiring for the Igniters 2025. This is a campus hiring. There are 450 plus open positions. They are hiring for PGET, GET and agriculture trainee roles. Introduction. To participate, fill out the form on the Mahindra campus hiring drive page. After registration, you will receive assigned date and time slot for the assessment via mail. You must begin the assessment strictly during the allotted time. Please make sure to enable your webcam before starting the assessment. For detailed instruction on the application process, when you click here, they mention the drive instructions like register and apply for the displayed at the bottom of this page. If you find your college name missing in the drop down in the registration form, please write mail and their team will review it and add it. After registration, you will receive the email with the assessment detail, including the date and time window during which you can take assessment. Please ensure you start the assessment only within the specified time frame. While filling out the form, make sure to select the correct skill set role uh, based on the specialization mapping provided below. Incorrect selection will result in disqualification. Get role. A specialization BTech skill set to be chosen from. Like for computer science and engineering, get ITCS. There are some list of specialization and skill set mentioned. You can read it and fill the form according to that. For PGET role, they also mention BTech, MTech and can apply for which things. You can read this and fill the form according to your qualifications and skills. GAGT role. For GAGT role, they mention the specialization and skill set to be chosen. After completing the registration form, you will ask to provide the following details. Please keep them ready and ensure them all the information is entered accurately to avoid rejections like college roll number, student ID, email ID, mobile number, resume, 10, 12 percentage, CGPA in graduation till last semester and post graduation percentage till last semester. Provide all the above detail is mandatory to start the assessment. Please begin the assessment only after ensuring that you using latest version of Google Chrome. To prevent any issues, use incognito mode in the Chrome browser on your desktop laptop. These are the some instructions you have to follow them. You should dress formally and the room should be well. Assessment will be protected throughout. Each student will only be allowed one attempt. There is no negative marking. Come to this page. Eligibility criteria. All the freshers from BTech, BE and MTech passing in June 2025 are eligible to participate in the hiring drive. The candidate must have aggregate of 60% or CGPA till the current semester. Participant must not be employee, officer or an agent involved in the running of the competition. Participants must not be working as GAT with any organization with any another organization. The maximum number of entries to be competition per person is 1. Candidates with backlog are not allowed to participate in the hiring drive. If you have already applied in the last 3 months via any other channel, your profile will not be considered. This is the eligibility criteria. Apply link is given in the description. If you are facing any problem in applying, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.